Hello everyone to this short tutorial how we make a Vlookup function. Okay, here I have a table consisting of names, their IDs and scores. And now the idea here behind this function is when we search for a specific name, for example Tom, we want to get his score, which is 53. So now to create this function, we just make an equal Vlookup. Then we put here the lookup value, which is Tom. We are searching for Tom. Then we put the whole table there. So we want to look up this name in this table. And now we specify the column index number we want to get. So we want to get the score. This column here, this is why we type 3 or C3 in here. And the last parameter is to define if we want an exact match, then we type false or 0, or if we want an approximate match, then we just type true or 1. So when we close the brackets here and type enter, so voila, we have here 53, which is the score of Tom. Now when we search for Josh, for example, we get his score 32. Great! Thanks a lot and have a nice day.